Hi, I'm Josh. Let's make hot candied chilies. This hot and sweet side is the perfect complement to any curry, as a dip or pressed into a fresh naan. Heat a non-stick pan on a medium heat and add the oil, mustard seeds and cumin seeds, stirring through gently. As the seeds start to sizzle, add the chilies, stir through and fry for around 5 minutes to begin softening, stirring occasionally so nothing sticks. Add the crushed and whole garlic. Stir through and cook for a further 5 minutes until the garlic begins to brown. Dip in the vinegar, sugar, salt and turmeric. Stir through well and allow it to reduce until the vinegar smell disappears and the majority of the liquid has evaporated. Allow it to cool slightly, then place in a sterilised jar and store in the refrigerator. This accompaniment is fine to use straight away, but even better after a week. Don't forget you can find this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.